Basement flooding is one of the most frustrating and expensive issues homeowners in Sterling Heights can face. It can cause extensive water damage, lead to mold and mildew growth, and even compromise your home's foundation. Fortunately, one of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to prevent basement flooding is by ensuring your gutter system is properly installed and maintained. Why gutters matter for your basement. Gutters play a critical role in directing rainwater away from your home's foundation. When rain falls on your roof, it collects and runs toward the edges. Without a well-functioning gutter system, that water can fall directly next to your foundation and seep into your basement. Over time, even a small amount of water infiltration can lead to serious problems. In Sterling Heights, where seasonal rainfall and snowmelt can lead to surges of excess water, having properly functioning gutters is not optional, it's essential. Gutters prevent the pooling of water around your home's perimeter, protecting not only your basement but also your landscaping and driveway. Key gutter features that help prevent flooding. To truly protect your basement, your gutters need more than just basic functionality. Here's what to look for. Correct sizing. Gutters should be appropriately sized to handle the rainfall intensity typical in Sterling Heights. Undersized gutters can overflow, especially during heavy downpours. Downspout placement. Downspouts should extend at least 4 to 6 feet away from your foundation. Using extensions or splash blocks can help keep water from pooling at the base of your home. Gutter guards. These keep leaves, twigs, and other debris from clogging the gutter system. Clogged gutters are useless during a storm and can even cause water to back up onto your roof. Proper pitch and angle. Gutters should be slightly angled, about 1/4 inch per 10 feet, so that water flows toward the downspouts. Improper pitch can lead to standing water and increased risk of leakage. Seamless gutters. These reduce the chances of leaks at joints and connections, which is especially beneficial in preventing water from seeping down near your foundation. Maintenance is just as important. Even the best gutter system can fail if it's not maintained. Regular maintenance is critical to ensuring your gutters perform as intended. Clean them regularly. At a minimum, clean your gutters twice a year, in the spring and fall. If your home is surrounded by trees, more frequent cleaning may be necessary. Inspect for damage. Check for cracks, rust spots, loose brackets, and disconnected downspouts. Prompt repairs can prevent costly issues down the line. Check for slope issues. Over time, gutters can sag or lose their slope. Water that isn't draining properly should be a red flag. Additional tips for Sterling Heights homeowners. Because Sterling Heights experiences freezing winter temperatures, ice dam formation is another concern. Ice dams occur when melting snow refreezes at the edge of your roof, preventing proper drainage and potentially causing gutter and roof damage. To combat this, ensure your attic is well insulated to prevent uneven roof temperatures. Keep your gutters free of debris before snowfall to allow proper drainage when snow melts. Consider installing heated gutter cables if ice damming is a recurring problem. The bottom line: preventing basement flooding starts at the roofline. A properly designed and maintained gutter system is your first line of defense. Whether you're dealing with spring rains, summer storms, or melting snow in Sterling Heights, directing water away from your foundation is key to protecting your basement. Investing in a high-quality gutter system and keeping it in excellent shape isn't just smart, it's essential. Don't wait for a flooded basement to take action. With the right setup, you can enjoy a dry, safe, and protected home all year round.